Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin immediately. Wear gloves and goggles and position the piece on a towel. Pour white vinegar on the rusty patch to loosen mineral bonds. Vinegar's acid breaks rust without harsh etchants. While it soaks for 5–10 minutes, sprinkle a little baking soda around the edge to buffer over spill and create a gentle abrasive. Use a soft nylon brush to agitate. This dislodges flakes without scratching stainless steel. Once done, rinse with water to stop the reaction and inspect the spot. If rust remains, repeat the vinegar soak and let it sit longer. The acid needs time to penetrate deeper corrosion. Make sure to scrub with a non-abrasive pad or very fine 0000 steel wool, but always follow the grain of the steel. Scrubbing across the grain causes visible scratches. After scrubbing, neutralize any acid by rinsing thoroughly, then dry immediately with a microfiber cloth to prevent new spots. Finally, apply a thin coat of stainless polish or mineral oil to restore shine and add a protective barrier. To finish, buff the treated area with a clean microfiber cloth until the surface looks uniform. This evens out polish and removes streaks, making the steel reflective again. If you find tiny pits or deeply embedded rust, accept that light DIY fixes may not fully restore the surface. Consider a professional refinisher or a mild commercial rust remover formulated for stainless. If scratching or staining appears, stop, rinse, and switch to gentler tools. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.